At MIT World Peace University, Kothurud, Pune, every journey begins with ambition.
Here, curiosity becomes knowledge, and knowledge becomes the confidence to create. If we bridge these 2 points, the circuit completes. Welcome to your professional learning journey. This diagram shows the core system logic.
How does that apply to scale?
Excellent question. Let's examine that.
This is where students learn to think deeply, work together, and step forward to shape the future. MIT World Peace University and Nirva Solutions come together with a shared vision for future-ready engineering education. A new journey begins. MIT World Peace University and Nirva Solutions proudly launched the M.Tech program in Data Center Systems Engineering. Here, academic depth is strengthened by practical industry experience, mentorship, and learning by doing. How does this cooling system handle peak loads? At MIT World Peace University, Kothurud, Pune, with Nirva Solutions, your journey to build tomorrow begins today.